Yay!
Hi, I'm Peach. Today we'll discuss about some important places that you can see around you. Important places around you. A mall or a supermarket. A mall or a supermarket. Hotel and motel. Hotel and motel. Laundry shop. Laundry shop. A hardware store. Hardware store. A salon. A salon. Barber shop. Barber shop. Police station. Police station. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. The links will be available in the description box below. You did a great job today. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut or Peach.